next I have explained the path gate vehicles working process. I have activate the path gate vehicles. First I will place the particular path. The vehicles will be moving. First, the two IRs will be detect the paths and send to the command Arduino boards. The Arduino boards will be activate the power supplies. The power supply, the DC motor drivers, circuits, power transfer to the two motors. So the wheels will be automatically rotated. So that is the simple working process. But the working progress I am making the programming in Arduino software. The Arduino boards I have upload the Arduino programming. So power supply I am using the motors. Examples, I have placed the particular paths in path gate vehicles. Automatically same process. IO sensor will be detect the path and send to the commands Arduino boards, and DC motor drivers will be control the two wheels and speeds. Examples, in the path gate vehicles, we have travel the straight pathway, no issue. The two wheels will be rotate the same speed. At the same times, any curvature shapes, the path gate vehicles will be moving. One side of the wheels will be, right side wheel will be reduced and left side of the wheel speed will be increased. This process similarly same for our mechanical component differential. Example, the gearing system used to I have control the differential, but the path gate vehicle speeds will be controlled to the IR sensor. Example, the cause currently the path gate vehicles will be moving from the left side, so left side IRs will be detect the speed reduced to the left side of the wheels. Again, the right side will be rotating, right side IRs will be control the right side of the motor's wheel speed will be reduced. That is our path gate vehicles working process.